A bunch of circles, and by circles I mean well-rounded individuals.
Wise guy, huh? Well then, how about you wise up to an unfriendly competition? Right here, right now.
Yeah, what he said!
Right here, right now. It's a little short notice. I'll need to check my availability. Let's see, right now. Looks like I don't have anything scheduled for right now. Therefore, I would like to accept your challenge.
Yes.
However, certain safety concerns prevent me from doing so. Therefore, I must decline.
SquarePants, I can't believe what I'm hearing here.
I don't hear anything.
Ugh, look, kid, being cool includes accepting this challenge. Anything less would be an embarrassment.
I would never want to embarrass you, Tony Jr. Therefore, I accept your challenge.
Oh, it's on.
What he said!
Do you mind?
What he said!
Sweet! Instantanage!
We're winning! We're winning!
Whoa, did you see that?
That guy wasn't just going fast.
He was going Tony fast!
Huh? Oh no! The cops are after us! What are we gonna do?
What? Sorry, I couldn't hear you over that siren.
Now there's a helicopter after us!
What's that? I couldn't hear you over that helicopter.